Hello, my friends. Bitcoin market update, June 6, 2021, 5:25 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. We see that Bitcoin has opened up around the area where Saturday's candle closed, and we've been moving up, and right now we're in this 36,651 dollar area that obviously is changing fast as I record this. We see that that prices started going up to this 20-day moving average, but pulled back a little bit. And one thing I want to point out is at the moment, compared to the last low, we're at a higher low right now, but we're also at a overall a lower high. As I said in last night's video, over the next couple days, we got to see if this is going to maintain, or is there going to will Bitcoin start making lows to break this? We will see. At the moment, it really does feel like Bitcoin's getting squeezed from the top and squeezed from the bottom. And when an asset's trading price, or when an asset's when an asset oh, pardon me, I'm not editing this out. You know why? Because my technical analysis skills are a lot better than my video editing skills. So, beep it, I'm just leaving it in. Generally, when these assets, when they're trading and the price starts, coming up from the bottom and coming down from the top, it tends to make something like a spring. Like you have a spring, you start pushing it, it's pushing energy together, and it could be getting ready to go heavily in one direction. Also, you'll notice that we've basically been in this range ever since this candle, which was the 18th. Ever since this candle, from here, and I get it's a little bit out of this range right here, but overall, you see, we've been in this range, basically going sideways from about the 18th or the 19th. So now we're getting about a couple weeks time of energy being built up. What also tends to happen is that usually whatever length it went sideways, it will tend to go in whatever direction it breaks to. Right now, I'm similar to last night's video, I'm still leaning a little bit towards the bearish side. And one of the reasons why is overall, our 50-day moving average is moving down. Our 20-day moving average is moving down, although it's starting to peak up. But yesterday we couldn't even make up 50% of this candle. We're back down to this low range. So that makes me kind of think that we could see some lower prices. However, as I'm saying that, in my mind is giving me the data for the bullish case. So one of the bullish cases would be that last time we really sold off, look at how far it sold off. Maybe this selling is done. If this selling is done, then we're making a new higher low, which would give support of some bullish indication. Also, I guess that's kind of it. But if you look at this whole trading range from, let's say, about the 40,000 range to about the 35,000 range, we're still hanging out in the low. And you can see the line here, and one in the middle. For the most part, you see all the color is really on the bottom of this. Now, there's definitely some up here, but much more in the bottom. Definitely lately, that's all white up here. But even in the beginning, a little bit of white, it tested. So it tested here, was rejected. Obviously, rejected here, came up, tested, rejected. Now, we'll see what happens. But to me, I feel like there's a little more wait on the for potential for a bearish breakout. But I don't really know. And because of not being 100% sure of, I think what I am 100% sure of right now, that it's going sideways. How long it's going to go sideways for, I don't know. If I was going to place a trade on Bitcoin, I would be doing some sort of trade that profited from a sideways movement or profited from the price not reaching to a certain point. If you know what that is, hit the like button. Not is specifically. If you understand how you would place a trade like that, then hit the like button for me. Show me that you understand that. If you don't understand that, then hit the like button for me. Show me you don't understand that. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Join the Facebook group. Join the oh, it's just full of bloopers, isn't it? I don't care that much right now. Join whatever you can join at the website, and shoot me a message. Let's have a conversation. You can see I'm a real person. I'm more into trading than I am into making videos and editing and stuff like this. So if you ever wonder about some of these YouTube gurus, are they really as good of investors as they are YouTube stars? I don't know. I wonder the same thing myself. But I don't wonder enough to find out, because for the most part, the people that I follow, I like on YouTube, I can, but there's a whole heck of a lot of them that I think is just a lot of wah 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 noise. That's just my opinion. Anyways, you guys have a good day. I'm gonna shut my mouth before I dig this hole any further. Talk to you later. Bye bye.